Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com. I'm just going to run you through our Christmas spreadsheets that you can download for free. First one we have here is our Christmas gift tracker. We can add people's names, some gift ideas, links to where you can buy the gifts from, the price, the status of whether you've already bought it or not, whether it's being shipped, and some extra notes. If you notice, I put a price in here and will automatically update my budget on this side. Next, we have the Christmas planner spreadsheet, which is just a basic calendar type thing where you can add things you have to do and simply check it off when you're ready. And we have the budget tracker as well, where you can track your gifts, food for Christmas, decorations, and a miscellaneous section. These over here will also automatically update when you change them over here. All right, thank you.